Hey, I'm Craig, and this is Clean Sweep. Today we're talking about manual parts washers. So what is a manual parts washer? A manual parts washer is typically a smaller parts washer that uses human labor instead of machine automation. They also take advantage of 3 different types of cleaning: soak, directed stream, and brushing. Let's look at each in turn. So soak. Well, it's the simplest of the cleaning methods. Basically, you're just leaving your parts under the chemistry. It works great on light soils and easy to remove soils, but it definitely takes time to clean. It also works best in conjunction with other cleaning processes, like brushing. Though not common, some parts washers also add intake agitation to the soaking to provide extra flushing of the parts. So what is directed stream? Directed stream is using a hose to provide a stream of fluid onto the part where you need it. Typically, this comes through some sort of lock line or stay-in-place hose that keeps the fluid pointed at the same place. Directed stream is very low pressure, kind of like tap water, and it flushes away the contaminants off the part as it cleans. Finally, directed stream works very well in conjunction with brushing, either using a flow-through brush or a standard brush. So brushing. Brushing provides mechanical agitation that loosens and removes soils from the surface of the part. It works great in conjunction with other cleaning methods, for instance, soak and directed stream. It's like cleaning a pan that's dirty after cooking. If you let it soak and put some water on it and then brush, it comes clean a whole lot easier. Brushing's like that. There's all sorts of brushes available, from traditional one-sided brushes to dual-sided brushes with fine points for getting into narrow parts, and also flow-through brushes. Flow-through brushes are great because they put fluid right where you're trying to clean and also flush away the loosened contaminants. So why manual washers? Well, there's 2 good reasons. One is they're typically the cheapest option available. So if money up front is more of a concern, a manual washer is a great option. Second, they're very flexible. So they're very great for applications where you never know from day to day what you are going to be cleaning. So why not a manual washer? Well, there's a few concerns to think about. First is, it will take you time to scrub and to get the parts clean. Even with directed stream and soak, there will still be manual cleaning involved. This is not a big concern if cleaning is something that happens from time to time, but if it's part of your main process, it could create throughput issues. So what are some of the typical applications for manual washers? Well, there's 2 really good ones that come to mind. First is vehicle or car maintenance and repair. So if you're running a garage or doing vehicle maintenance, these kind of washers are great. They're very flexible, they can clean parts in pretty good time, and they don't cost a whole lot. Second is general maintenance, repair, and operations in a company. So if you're running a maintenance shop, it gives you the flexibility to clean what you need to clean from day to day. Well, that's the basics of a manual parts washer. I hope you learned something, and we look forward to talking to you. As always, if you have any questions, contact Graymills or your local Graymills rep or distributor. We'd be happy to walk you through your choices. Thanks a lot. Bye.